everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to log into your Stash account. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. First of all, launch open a web browser and type in stash.com and press enter on your keyboard. Doing this will take you to the official website for Stash. Click on the login link at the top right hand corner in order to start logging into your account. Soon after you click log in, you will end up in this page from where you can enter your email and password and log into your account. First of all, enter your email address associated with your Stash account and use the same email that you chose while registering for the account. After entering the correct email, you will need to enter your password. If you don't remember your password, click on this Forgot Password link and follow through the password reset process. If you do remember your password, type it in the text field. Finally, after filling in both of your details, click login and you will be logged into your Stash account in no time. So that's how easy it is to log in or sign into your existing stash.com account. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.